Hi, this is Dan from Feldmann Imports. Today we have a 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. This comes in a white exterior. And has a black interior. Sunroof. Formatic, Mercedes-Benz, and GLC 300 badging. Power open and close trunk. Those rear seats. Look at the sunroof there. We have blind spot assist, memory seats, driver door controls, steering wheel, driver seat. Mileage in this vehicle, 54,527. Push button ignition, Mercedes-Benz navigation, radio, and a backup camera. And if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website at feldmannimports.com.